White jeans can look really chic or completely off. This is the difference. Same pair, 3 real-life outfits. Work, weekend, nights. But most people get at least one of these wrong. Because it's not the jeans, it's how the outfit is built. I'm showing you what works and what throws the whole thing off. Let's start with work, because this is where it goes wrong the fastest. This is aggressively doing nothing. The top is washed out, the shape is loose, the shoe is flat. There's no authority here whatsoever. It looks like I got dressed, but didn't decide anything. Now watch the shift. Same white jeans, but now the outfit has structure. The blouse is clean, the vest cinches the waist, the boot has just enough lift, and of course you can opt for flats here, but you can see the difference in the styling elements when they come together. What a difference this makes. This is what people miss. Work outfits are not about basics, they're about decisions. If your outfit doesn't have at least one strong piece, a blazer, a vest, something that holds shape, it's going to fall flat every time. And I know we all have that one top that we keep wearing because it's easy, but easy is not the same as polished. And the next one is where most people get it completely wrong or get stuck. Now, date. This is fun because I always love going on dates. Not with different guys, with my husband. I feel like I have to justify that. I don't know why. Okay, moving on. This is where people think they're playing it safe and actually erase themselves. This top, it's soft, loose, no shape. The boots are slouchy, which the boots are not bad. I mean, honestly, this whole outfit isn't the worst. But we're not here to be average. We're here to have fun with fashion. That's the point. So let's zhuzh this up more. It's just forgettable, right? And you're on a date. We want to be remembered. Now this is a completely different story. This dress, I don't get to wear it as often because I don't go to parties that often, right? This is the perfect opportunity for you to take out that dress that you've been putting off, or you think it's overly dressed, and wear it with the white denim. But this is the trick. You take something beautiful and you bring it into real life. The white denim tones this dress down. So now you're not overdressed. You're just unforgettable. And that's what you want when you go on a date. The wrap creates shape. The slit adds movement, sex appeal, and interest. And the boot gives it edge. If you have that one piece in your closet that you never wear for whatever reason, it's not the piece. It's how you're styling it. You don't need more clothes. You need better combinations. That's it. And that's where the magic lies. Weekend. We have arrived to the weekend. Be honest. You worn this exact outfit. Oversized hoodie, sweater, sneakers, and we called it an outfit. We just got up, threw it on, and left and did whatever we had to do, run our errands. It's comfortable, but it's giving, I gave up on myself. And we're not here at my channel to do that. We're here to have fun with our fashion, for my fashionistas. So look at this. Same comfort level, but now there's intention. The sweater has personality. It has shape. There's a sex appeal to it. There's a luxe quality to it. It's modern. Boots, it adds edge. You're still comfortable, but really cool, downtown chic type of vibe. And suddenly, the whole outfit looks styled. Effortless doesn't mean careless. If everything in your outfit is oversized and soft, you lose shape completely. You need contrast. And if the boot feels like too much, switch to a cleaner sneaker or a low heel, but keep the structure. So if your white jeans ever feel off, it's not the jeans. Look at the shape, look at the balance, and ask yourself, did I actually style this or did I just put it on? Your answer is exactly what comes out of your outfit. Because again, it was never the jeans. And if you want me to look at your outfits and tell you exactly what to fix, that's what I do with my one-on-one personal styling. All the info is down on my description box. You don't need better clothes, you need better judgment. Please like, hit the bell, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.